What's going on, world? It's me, Andre Catnine here from West Palm Beach, Florida. So, I'm gonna let you guys know what I'm up to right now. So I managed to, on all of these flyers that I got from Cash Building System Unlimited, I managed to go ahead and stamp every postcard here. Yesterday I had went to the post office and I was able to stamp all of these postcards. All right, I still got some extra stamps here, but yeah. I also, the other day, my flyers came in the mail too as well. This is what it said on the back. So basically, I'm just like, leaving these flyers everywhere I go. This is my website. That's my ID number if you guys decide that you want to join me. But guys, so just to recap, when you join me in Cash Building System Unlimited, you're going to get a couple of things. All right, you're going to get 200 postcards. All right, you're going to get 200 postcards in the mail with a welcome package, and along with those 200 postcards, you're also gonna get 200 leads. All right, and these are gonna be peel and stick labels, which has addresses on them, and all you gotta do is just peel them off, peel them off, and I'll just show you an example of what I'm talking about here. If I can record, and somebody want to call me while I'm doing a video, but let me show you real quick. Matter of fact, let me turn that off. Okay. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. Okay. Someone is always calling me when I'm doing something. Okay, so all you got to do is just, if you know how to, mail a postcard, this is a simple business. All right, so all I got to do is just put this right here. All right. Put that there. And this postcard is good to go. All right. All I got to do is just, once I, stamp all of these postcards, I got, a whole bunch of these postcards. All I gotta do is just mail this out with a stamp on it. So if you know how to stamp a postcard and, peel and stick label and put it on these postcards, you can make money with this business. And also, if you want to also order some postcards in the mail, I also ordered some $100 drop cards as well. But yeah, I got that's on the way. The $100 drop cards is a great way for you to market your business online. But I'm going to be using the $100 drop cards to promote this Cash Building System Unlimited business. But yeah, it's all about getting the momentum going. I got a whole bunch of stamps here. So whenever I get some more, I'll have some stamps to put on them. But guys, that's about it. That's what you're gonna get. You're gonna get 200 postcards. Of course, the higher level that you come in, and I highly recommend that you come in at the level 3 if you're gonna come in with Cash Building System. That's the one I recommend. But that's gonna get you that's gonna get you more postcards, and that's gonna put you in position to make more money. All right, because if you're not at a higher level than a person that comes in that joins you, you're gonna miss out on money, and your money, your sponsor is gonna make all the money. So you want to be in position to make the most money out of this opportunity. So I recommend that you come in at level 3 or 4. So yeah, that's what you're gonna get. You're gonna get 200 postcards. You're gonna get 200 leads with peel and stick labels with their addresses on there, and then you're gonna get a welcome package, and then yeah, my bonuses. Let's talk about my bonuses, okay? So my bonuses that I'm going to be giving away to you guys. All right, let me show you guys. So let me show you guys. All right, so here's a bonus that I'm going to be giving to you guys. All right, I have 5 different trading bots that's going to trade for you in the Forex market. So if you do decide to join me in Cash Building System Unlimited, you're going to get 5 different trading bots. Okay, you're going to get one called Gold FBS, which has already done 34%. All right, you're going to get a bot called Gold Rush. All right, that has already done over 520% already. All right, look at this. It's just going up. Like this is a very consistent bot. And then also you're gonna get You're gonna get another bot. You're gonna get 2 other bots. I don't have it up right now, but you're gonna get five different trading bots in total. Okay, that's gonna actually make you money in the forex market on top of the money that you're gonna be making with this cash building system unlimited business. Okay, so yeah, I'm about to go ahead and finish. Gonna go ahead and start finishing putting these labels on these postcards so I can go ahead and mail them out. I'm supposed to been mail these bad boys out, but I'm about to go ahead and put all these pill and stick labels on it and mail them out now. But guys, like I said, if you do decide to join me in Cash Building System Unlimited, you're gonna get so much value. So if you guys want these bonuses, don't join anybody else because you're not gonna get these bonuses that I'm gonna be giving to you guys. If you would like something that's going to actually make you some passive income while you're promoting Cash Building System Unlimited, then joining me is the best route. It's the best way to go. All right. Then joining somebody else, because if you join somebody else in Cash Building System Unlimited, you're not going to get the value that I'm going to, that they're not going to give you the value that I'm going to, that I'm going to give you. All right. I'm actually giving you a bonus that's going to actually make you money. Nobody that's promoting Cash Building System Unlimited is giving you a bonus that's going to make you money. They're just giving you access to a Telegram group or a Facebook group, a little basic training. Like those bonuses that I've been seeing people giving away that's promoting Cash Building System Unlimited is worthless. Those trainings, like, it's basic, very, very, very basic. So if you want something of value, you want something that's going to make you money, yeah, I got training as well when it comes to Cash Building System Unlimited. But I'm going to actually give you something that's going to make you money regardless if you don't make any money with this opportunity. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and finish putting these labels on these postcards. But if you got any questions, let me know in the comment section. Reach back out to me, and we'll go ahead and get you started. We'll get you set up. But come in at level 3 and 4 because you do not want to miss out on the higher commissions. Okay, take care, y'all.